students. Good morning, next standard. We had learned lesson number 5 of history, that is social and religious reforms. Okay, and now we are going to write the answer of question number 2, that is complete the following table. Yesterday we had written number 1, name of the social reformer राजा राम मोहन राय. ओके, ये जो टेबल है इसका हमने कल जो ये जो फर्स्ट नंबर है राजा राम मोहन राय इनका लिखा था, है ना. yesterday we had written, ये देखो this question. ये जो है ना ये वाला इसका पहला हमने लिखा हुआ था, है ना. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द सेकंड वन. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द सेकंड वन. आर्य समाज स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती. ओके, आर्य समाज स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती. नोट डाउन दिस. आर्य समाज स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आर्य समाज. न्यूज़पेपर और बुक्स सत्याग्रह प्रकाश. And work of the organization. Opposed caste exam. And advocated greater gender equality. Number 2, propagated radicalism. Go back to the Vedas for this slogan. Listen, students. Page number 24. Complete the following table. This is number 2. Okay, this is number 2. आर्य समाज जो दिया हुआ है, सी हियर, आर्य समाज, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, सत्यार्थ प्रकाश. Okay, and opposed casteism and advocated greater gender equality, propagated Vedic religion, go back to the Vedas was the slogan of Arya Samaj. Okay, go back to the Vedas was the slogan of Arya Samaj. Now, third one is Mahatma Phule. Mahatma Phule. Mahatma Phule argumentation सत्य शोधक समाज. Okay. And newspaper or book, ब्राह्मणांची कसब, गुलामगिरी. Food. सार्वजनिक सत्यधर्म. Okay, and his work. Now we have to write about his work. Included the values of social equality and justice, number 2, protested against untouchability. Protested against untouchability and opposed casteism. And criticize the traditions and customs Okay. Now see here. Once again see here. Mahatma Phule, Satya Shodhak Samaj, books written by him, Brahmanja Kasab, Gulangiri, Asud, and Sarvajanik Satyadharma, and his work included the values of social equality and justice, protested against untouchability, and opposed caste discrimination. Okay, note down this in your copy. Note down all the 4 points in your copy. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we are going to write extra fill in the blanks. Huh? Extra fill in the blanks. This question is over. This question is over. Now we are going to write extra fill in the blanks. Okay, extra fill in the blanks. But this is your homework. Extra fill in the blanks. But this is your homework. Raja Ram Mohan Roy helped Governor General Dash to put Sati Prohibition Act. Sorry, to pass Sati Prohibition Act. Okay, to pass. Huh? This is to pass. PASS. Now, second number fill in the blanks. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. Okay. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. It's turn. Opinion. About child marriage. About child marriage. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar gave his staunch opinion about child marriage, law of consent in his newspaper. आपको उस newspaper का नाम लिखना है. You have to write the name of the newspaper. Okay. Dash started the nursing course for women through Seva Sadan institution. Dash started the nursing course for women through Seva Sadan institution. Okay. Next number. Dash continued tradition of reformation in Sikh religion. To stop. Then last one is Dash continued tradition of reformation in Sikh religion. Lokitawadi. Lokitawadi advocated with support. Gender equality. Through his writing. Full stop. See here. Lokitawadi advocated gender equality through his writing in dash full stop. Okay. These are the fill in the blanks. And you have to find out the answer of this fill in the blanks from the lesson. Okay. But in spite of that, I tell you the answer. Okay. I send the answer in the group of this fill in the blanks. First you have try to solve it tomorrow, today, and I will send the answer tomorrow of all these fill in the blanks in your group. Okay. Now complete the timeline. Next question. Next question. Complete the timeline. Complete the timeline. Okay. In this question, complete the timeline. Dates means dates or years will be given, and you have to write about the establishment of community. Okay, जैसे establishment of प्रार्थना सभा, then establishment of Arya Samaj. Okay, just like that. या फिर establishment of Ramakrishna Mission. Okay, you have to complete the timeline. Establishment of okay. This is your table, and you have to complete the fill in remaining boxes. Okay, यानी जो boxes खाली है ना, ये blank boxes जो है, we have to fill it the boxes. Okay. we have to write what event occurred on 1928 given in the book. Okay. 1928 establishment of Brahmo Samaj. Note down. Establishment of Brahmo Samaj. Establishment of Brahmo Samaj. Then establishment of Paramahansa Sabha on 1848. Okay. Then 1873 establishment of Satyashodak Samaj. Establishment of Satyashodak Samaj. Okay. And establishment of Arya Samaj 1875. 1875 establishment of Arya Samaj. And 1897 establishment of Ramakrishna Mission. Establishment of Ramakrishna Mission. Okay. Now we have fill ups all the tables. Okay. Note down this in your copy also. Okay. Now period is over. Now period is over. Bye bye. Bye bye.